Toothpaste beauty hacks. Beauty hack 1. Clean and strong fingernails. Take a little amount of toothpaste and apply it on your fingernails. You do not have to spend a lot on the manicure and pedicure to shine those nails anymore. Even brush your nails with a toothpaste or rub it with a cotton ball for a couple of seconds. Wash off with water. Fingernails are made from enamel, so toothpaste would be good to make them sparkly and clean. Beauty hack 2. Lip exfoliator. You can use a toothbrush with a little bit of toothpaste on it to exfoliate your lips. Do not use too much toothpaste, but a little will make your lips feel cool and refreshed. To make your lips pink and full, brush it gently. It helps to remove dead skin cells and also make the lips pink. Beauty hack 3. Acne and spot treatments. Reduce pimples, acne and scars on your face with the toothpaste. Take a cotton swab and apply the toothpaste on the affected area. Wait for a couple of minutes and then wash off with cold water. Do this every day until the spots are gone. But remember, this will not suit everyone. If it irritates you, stop using it. Always do a patch test before applying toothpaste on your skin. Beauty hack 4. Deep exfoliator. You can mix mint toothpaste and salt together, then rub the mixture on your skin in a gentle circular manner. Do this for a couple of minutes and wash your face with a cold water. It closes open pores that makes the sebum flow out and the skin too oily. Beauty hack 5. Blackheads. Blackheads are caused when the pores are clogged and there is no way out for the sebum to flow. Apply toothpaste on the nose tip and around the bridge of the nose and exfoliate it with soft bristle brush for 1 minute. Wash it off with cold water. Are the some of beauty secrets of toothpaste? Do let us know if you know the hacks and uses of toothpaste on skin, hair and nails. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, give it thumbs up and share with your friends. Bye bye.